Hey guys, let's create a custom ribbon using our Colop emark Create mobile printer. I'm going to be using the 15mm ribbon guide to help keep my ribbon in line. I've already used the mobile app to upload the message that I want to use on my ribbon. It's really simple. You want to place the printer directly into the guide, and no pressure is really needed, maybe just a little light pressure, and just gently glide it. As simple as that. What I like most is that I can customize my ribbons to say whatever I want for whatever occasion, whatever season, whatever holiday, and it prints out perfectly every time. This printer can be found at walmart.com. There's a link in my bio. I think it came in 1 to 2 days. It'll also come with its ribbon guide and a spool of ribbon. I'm not sure if it comes with this particular water resistant one, but you will get a roll of ribbon in your package. And now I have a nice customized ribbon to wrap my package or my gift. Thank you for watching.